Yo, YouTube fam, what's going on? How's it going? What's up? What's up? Happy holidays. I'm in my hotel room here. I'm trying to get the good lighting. It's so dark. Let me fix that. All right, cool. I guess that's gonna have to do for now. But anyways, what's up? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? I hope you guys all had a happy Merry Christmas. New Year's is right around the corner. We're less than 3 days away. So I hope all is well on your end. So what's going on? As always, guys, first things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel, get this out to your family, your friends, anybody who's interested in learning how to trade in the largest, most liquidated market in the world. That's the foreign exchange market. Also, you're going to learn about the cryptocurrency exchange on this channel. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, let me know your feedback, and most importantly, jump in our Telegram channel in the description below so you can stay up to date. You can join in on our morning sessions. You can see how our traders do, with their performance. So I'll give you a little insight. So real quick, jump over here. So squad does pretty good, right? This was yesterday, right? On a light day, quick 492. It's a live account. Team does very well, and so can you. Definitely blessed. $18,000 in one day, right? You guys can get access to this as well. $100 account flipped, right? So definitely come on board. Oof, this guy definitely had a nice day, right? And come learn how to become profitable. All right. So our topic of discussion today is, has the bear market ended, right? Some people think the bear market is over in the cryptocurrency. The bull run is here now. We should see Bitcoin go through the moon. We should see Shiba and Kishu and everybody's favorite coin go through the moon. So we're going to look at the charts today, see what's popping. I'm going to give my overall opinion because, like I always tell you guys, there's a lot of hype out there. There's a lot of people going to tell you, buy, invest in this coin, invest in that coin. Always do your due diligence. All right. I think what I'm going to do going forward is I'm going to start putting a disclaimer. All right. So my quick disclaimer. Okay, guys, I am not a professional advisor. I'm just giving my opinion on this. All right. Anything that I show you is just my opinion. Make sure you do your due diligence, make sure you do your research. But one thing that I'll always do is I'll always steer you guys in the right direction, right? I'm never gonna have you jump in on no hype coin or hype investment just to, make a quick buck on you. That's not what I'm about. I'm about educating. All right. So let's hop to it. Okay. So since I'm on Ethereum, right, I got Ethereum here. So today we saw pretty much the whole crypto market drop, right? You saw the entire crypto market drop. Currently right now, we're in this, we're dropping, right? We were in this uptrend here. It was gradually going up, creating higher highs, and then boom, higher high stopped, right? Notice what price did here on the daily. It gave you a nice little daily flag here. It never broke above this structure point, and then now we got a break. Now we got a break. Not only did we get a break, but we got a nice imbalance candle on the daily right here, which is very important. All right, guys. And if you don't know what an imbalance candle is, you can go and watch my previous videos talking about that. But we got a nice imbalance candle, meaning that price needs to fill this in, right? So real quick, imbalance candle is when you have a big, large institutional candle, right? And if you notice, when you look at regular candles, notice how you got the body and then you got the wicks, and they go inside each other, right? So this body, right, it's about the same size as this. The wicks, they're all connected, they're touching each other. But notice there's like a big gap, right, between this candle and the candle after it, the candle before it and the candle after it. And there's just this big space. That means price needs to come in and fill in this gap, right? Eventually, doesn't have to do it right now, but eventually it will get filled in before taking off. So you saw it over here. Look how it had this big gap, and then look what price did. It filled it in before taking off, right? Same thing over here, this big gap. What did price do? Yeah, it dropped, came back, big wick, came in to fill in that gap, and then took off, right? So you got this big imbalance candle right over here. So boom. So what I want to do is I want to mark this up. Got this big imbalance. Now I want to make my way down to the smaller time frame, because price again has now broken down. All right. So I want to see what's going on the smaller time frame. So let's take this down to the 1 hour. We definitely had a break of structure here, right? Price broke through that structure. So now what we're looking for is a retest. We're looking for price to pull back. I want to make sure that this previous high does not get broken. So I want to see something corrective, something like this, right? If I get that happening, I know this is coming. So that's what I want to see next. I don't want to jump in this trade right now. So if I get anything like this, boom, I know I got a sell coming up. And guess what? Guess what? Because this was a big daily candle here, we're going to tighten this up. We're going to get in over here. I would like to see Ethereum get somewhere back inside this zone, right? Anywhere between 39 to 4,000. Anywhere between there. Just a nice corrective move back. And then guess what? We can see 36, potentially even lower. All right, even lower. All right, we can actually come down to 34, and then long term, possibly all the way down. Yes, I'm going to say it, to 27. That is a possibility, guys. So first things first, we need to see a nice corrective move. All right, once we get a nice correction, so something like this, right? Nice correction. See right there, and then it leads to the down move. Nice correction. See that? Big move. See how it came inside of this imbalance candle? And then led to that move to the downside. So if we get that in here, we're going to get that short. All right. Same thing with Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin had a funny day too, right? I had a lot of people, they thought after it got out of this wedge, price was just going to go to the moon. Right. And I was telling some of my buddies, right, that no, I don't see that. Right. I still see Bitcoin dropping. So look what Bitcoin did. It came out of this ending channel, right? This wedge popped out. And notice how it came out. It came right inside this gap right here on this imbalance. Boom. And then gave you a nice daily drop. And just like Ethereum, what did it give you? It gave you a nice imbalance candle. All right. So I'm going to mark up here and here. All right. I mean, somewhere inside this zone, right, between 48 back to 50, I want to see a nice correction. All right. I want to see a nice correction, a correction like this. See that? Which led to the down move, right? Something like this. Something like this. Right? Every time it does that, boom, boom. Right? So I want to see price pull back. There's no point of shorting right here now. We want to confirm this is the sell. We're going to get that one more drop. So I want to see a nice pullback right inside this zone here. And if we get that, guess what? We will most likely break this low, which is 41. I could definitely see price going down to 39. All right. I can definitely see Bitcoin going down to 39. That is my prediction. All right, from this high, currently in this downtrend, look at the MACD, right? So all I'm looking for is a nice correction inside this zone right here. So anywhere between 49,000, 50,000 low, 50,000, 50,300, and I'll be looking to short. All right, that would be a very good area to short, and then take profit around 40,000. Because from here, then as you can see, right, we could potentially go back up, right? Or we can break through here, retest, and then hit the new level of 29. All right, so the bear market isn't over just yet. The bear market isn't over just yet, especially after today. So for all you guys, just trying to invest and get into coins and all stuff, be patient. All right. Always look at the market. Always, especially go to TradingView, look at the chart. I know you guys are in all these discords and communities, NFT, all these cryptocurrencies popping up. I understand that's the wave right now. And I'm here to caution you guys. We want to be careful. All right. You're always going to have somebody come up to you with the next big thing. All right. The next big thing, the next big thing. Yes, it could potentially be the next big thing, but just because it is doesn't mean now is the time to jump in. All right. Now's the time to jump in. I've been telling folks, do not invest at Bitcoin around these areas. This is dangerous. Right. And literally, I had people who make more money than me. Hey, Steve, I'm investing now. No, I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm like, you're crazy. This is easily gonna pull back. And look where we're at now. And I could easily see this pulling back even more. So look for it to correct, right? Like I said, get back to around 49, 50,000, low 50,000, and then a continuation to the downside. All right, that is very highly possible. All right, that is Bitcoin. All right, Ripple, same thing. Ripple, it's in a down market. It's in a downtrend, right? Look at that. Look at this weekly. Look how it's already forming. Look like it's about to just drop. All right. Let's go to the daily real quick. See? So right here, this is just on a bigger structure. So you see what this did? Notice, look where it came to, right? Look left. Right inside this imbalance zone. So guys, you want to get good at identifying your imbalance candles. Look how it came in right there. Boom. This would have been a good idea. Even if the trade didn't work out, look at the risk to reward. You would have gotten in here, your risk would have been short, but your reward, look at that. Boom. Now you're basically getting another similar situation. And look at that daily candle. Again, same thing. So I want to look for a nice retest, nice pullback, right around back to 90, about 90 cent, right? Shouldn't go beyond 94. And then I'll be looking for Ripple to come all the way back down, right, beyond 66 cents. Really where I want to see it come to is 52. And these are the zones that I'll be looking to invest, looking to go long, right? So think about it, guys. If I'm an investor, where would I idealistically want to invest? Would I want to invest right here at 85 cents? And don't get me wrong, 85 is good. All right, that's a lot better than where Ripple was earlier this year. Back in April, it was at $1.87. So you're at 85 cents, right? And remember, we got this. Ripple should be on your watch list. All right, guys. I don't know what your portfolio is looking like, but Ripple should definitely be in there. All right. People ask me, what are my picks? What am I really bullish? What am I long in? All right. I'll be honest with you guys. Ripple definitely in there. Cardano definitely in there. Ethereum definitely in there. Solana definitely in there. Right. I'm really big in the gaming sector. I talked about this on a couple of YouTube videos back, right? Which gaming cryptos is gonna explode, right? Gala, one of them. Red Fox, one of them, right? UFO, another one. Blocktopia, right? So I'm really positive. Guys, Ripple has already been at $3. Mind you, it didn't explode like all the other coins did this year, right? Because they had their SEC lawsuit and all that. But at the end of the day, remember, a lot of banks, this is like the banking coin right here. Ripple has huge upside potential. Ripple is still, I think, number 7, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go to coin market real quick. XRP, number 7, number 8. You're not number 8 coin in the world, and you're just gonna stay under $1. No, right? We're gonna get back over $3. So let's put this in perspective. I always like to put this in perspective for you guys. Let me get my calculator out. Do some quick math. All right, let's do some quick math. Now let's break this down. And every time crypto breaks a new all-time high, it pretty much doubles. So let's say this goes to $6, right? And I know a lot of you guys, you got Ripple going to 10, 20, 50, $100. Remember, Ripple was supposed to be right up there with Ethereum, right? In the thousands. So let's just say Ripple goes to $5, $6, right? So if I put in, let's say $5,000, even at the current price, 85 cents. Let's divide that by 85. Boom, that's gonna give you 5,800 Ripple, right? 5,800 Ripple. Ripple gets to $6, right? It doubles at its all-time high, basically goes to 6. Look at your potential off a $5,000 investment, right? Off a $5,000 investment, damn near 10x your investment. You definitely 5x'd it, right? You definitely 5x. I would say 6x, right? Your investment, 5,000. You can't lose with that. So if this thing gets down to, let's say 54, right? I take that same $5,000 investment, I get to 54, right? It's going to give me 92, right? Ripple coins. And that gets to $6. Look at that. Now you 10x your investment, right? So this is about playing with the numbers, and this is about being smart. So yes, you can, probably buy some coins. And for those who are asking, a lot of people keep asking, where can I buy these coins? All right, real quick. People were just kept messaging me about that. All right, I'm gonna say this again. Anytime you want to know where you can go buy something, if it's not available, let's say like on Coinbase, especially for those who are in the United States, you can't get them on Binance. Guys, this is all you do, right? You go to coinmarketcap.com. All right, go to coinmarketcap.com and just hit market. Next to overview, market, and it pretty much tells you all the places it's available. Right? So Binance, I know for a lot of people in certain states, like I'm in New York, so Binance doesn't work for me. So you're gonna have to go to like KuCoin, Uphold is another one. So these are all the places where you can pretty much go and invest in Ripple. And that goes for any other coin that you're looking for. All right, any other coin that you're looking for, go to coinmarketcap.com, go to market right next to overview, and it gives the list of all the places where you can go purchase. All right, so Ripple is definitely on my list. And guys, I mean, I'm about 99% sure this is going to break $3. So you do the math, you play with the numbers, you say, what do I have to invest? Right? What can I play with? And in the next 12, 18 months, how much can I contribute my income to this? Let this hold. Because I always say it, all right? Some of you guys, you've been following me for years. I know you've been trying to become successful Forex traders, but be honest with you, right? For some of you guys, day trading is not the ideal thing for you to do. Just being honest, all right? It's a process. So instead of just wasting money and keep blowing your account, invest. See, the beauty about when you invest, throw it away, treat it like your 401k, your IRA. You don't look at it for the next, 2-3 years. I promise you, 2-3 years, you're going to be one happy individual. All right. So that's Ripple. Let's take a look around. So Cardano is one of my favorites too. So Cardano has definitely pulled back from that high of $3, right? We're around $1.40. I would like to see price pretty much get to $1. I would like to see Cardano get to $1. If we get below $1, that'd be cool too. All right, let's go to the monthly. So if we look at this from a monthly standpoint, look here. Right, this is why you got to look at all time frames. Look here, right? What had I been telling you about these imbalance zones? See how price has to come back and fill it up? It has to fill in these imbalance. Look how I go on the monthly. Look at this imbalance down here on the monthly. So that means we could potentially see Ripple get all the way back, right? At some point, one point or another, and it's almost there. Usually when market price is close to an imbalance zone, it pretty much just gonna go, it's gonna go take it out. So we're like basically right there. We could see price get down here. And honestly, is it a bad thing? No. To me, the more the crypto market pulls back, the better for me as an investor. All right. People hate the bear market. I look at it from a different perspective. I like it. The more it pulls back, the more I get to invest because I get to buy all these coins at a cheaper price. So I get the best bang for my buck. So if price gets anywhere near, under $1 to potentially 38 cents, I'm happy. I'm jumping up and down because I know in the future, we're going to create a new high. We're going to break $3. Just like Ripple, this is going to go to like $5, $6 easily. So if it comes here, again, do the math. Do the math, right? Like I said, the year is about to be over. Instead of spending so much money, out partying on a bunch of nonsense, you take this capital, guys, in the next 18, 24 months, you're going to be a very happy individual. I'm talking about 6-7 figure plays here. You do your number, you play with the numbers correctly, you invest correctly, 6-7 figures easily. All right. So that's Cardano. Let's look at other coins that I like. Gala. See what Gala's doing right now. Gala's at 47 cents. All right. I'm very long on Gala. Very, very long on Gala. It's creating a nice bullish flag. Let's see what Gala's doing. All right. So the bear market is not over just yet. So look at that. Just from a monthly standpoint, look at that. Gala can come all the way back to 35 to potentially 13 cents. All right. That's the weekly. And then that's the daily, right? So we could potentially see that. All right. Same thing. So short term, we just had a daily bearish engulfing candlestick. Right. See, like right over here, see what price did? Just like right here, bearish daily engulfing candle. See, what did price do? Came and came back and filled in that imbalance zone and then dropped. So I'm looking for the same thing over here. So what I want to do, I go down to like the 1 hour and wait for price to come and fill that up. Fill that up. Come back and then boom. Get back to around 51. All right. Anywhere from 50, 51, 52. All right. And if you're trading it, that's where I would short it. And one of your ideal, this would be a good spot to potentially go long, around 41 cents. All right. And if price breaks below here, then you could potentially go to 28 cents. And this would be your all-time low at 14 cents. Right. But we know Gala got huge upside utility. The projects behind it, absolutely amazing. You guys know, like Gala is going to be huge, especially big in the metaverse. All right. People are already making tons and tons and tons of money. All right. I know people who invested in some nodes and, made high 6-7 figures. So trust me, Gala is really at one of my top coins that I'm invested in, really just stacking up. And I can't wait for the next 18 months on this bad boy. Right. Let's go for another one. Let me see Blocktopia. Where's Blocktopia at? Yes, Blocktopia is around 5 cents. I like it. Website. All right. Blocktopia. And guys, while the market is pulling back, another thing I would probably suggest, stake, right? Earn. Like if you stake your Blocktopia coins, look at that, right? Stake Blocktopia. 60 APY, 40 APY, 20 APY. Guys, you're not getting that at the bank. All right? You're not getting that at the bank. I repeat, you are not getting that at the bank. You're only getting What? We went over this the last time, right? National interest rate, right? National savings interest, 0.06. 0.06. As you guys know, most banks, 0.01. So do you want that? Does it make sense to save your money? If you have a savings account, if you have a checking account right now, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, whoever, does it make sense to leave your money there where it's basically accumulating nothing? Guys, think about what you've accomplished this year. All right. If you didn't accomplish your goals, especially financially, you got to ask yourself, what do I got to do? If I have money sitting in a bank account, if I have it sitting in a CD, in a mutual fund, and it's basically making nothing. Hello, it doesn't take a genius. Oh, you know what? I got some Blocktopia. Let me stake the bad boy. Stake it. Connect your wallets and make money. What are you doing? Right? So, and it's not just Blocktopia. It's a lot of these coins. All right. I talked about Web3, right? Synthropy, right? One of my favorites. A lot of these coins, they're allowing you to stake. Look, stake. What are you doing? Why is your money stuck in your savings account, basically earning nothing? Why? Why do that? Why? It makes no sense. Stake your coins, all right? Get some real interest on your money. The dollar is dying, guys. If nobody has told you, I will tell you that the dollar is dying, right? It's dying. It's dying. It's dying. I think this is the video to play, and then how to stake over here. But you got a lot of platforms that are allowing you to stake and just make insane interest on your money. All right. So Gala, really big on huge upside potential. Solana, let's see where Solana's at. Yeah. Right. Right. Look at all these imbalance. Matter of fact, let's go to the monthly. Oof. Yeah, look at this monthly imbalance that was left behind, right? Let me show you guys regular charts of what happens with imbalance, how they get filled. You see, right? Just to give you an example, eventually the market will come back. You see what it did here? You had two imbalance candles, right? So the market will eventually come back to fill in these imbalance zones, right? They're going to come back. They're going to fill it. So because crypto is much faster, moves way faster than the foreign exchange market, it's going to happen quicker. So I wouldn't be surprised if I see a big wick or a big, crash down here, right, before takeoff. Solana is another one. I know a lot of people are in that. So again, daily, we got a nice imbalance candle over here. Looking for this. Same thing. Let's go to the 4 hour. What do we got? That's what I like. Right around there. 4 hour retest. Get to about $1.90. And I'll be looking for price to get all the way down to $149 bucks. All right. This would be your ideal spot. So you're looking for a flag like this and then drop. All right. So the bear market is not done just yet, guys. And this is the outlook on a lot of crypto pairs. All right. It's the update. The bear market is not done. As you can see, this was going up. We have done creating higher highs now. Went for a pullback and a continuation down. All right. So that's the quick update, guys. I just wanted to jump on here, cut this quick video. I haven't done a video in like 7 days. Told you I'm going to be dropping back to back. But last week was the holidays. definitely, once again, guys, happy new year. All right, happy new year. All right, stay safe out there and set some real goals. Be responsible. Try to ask yourself, what is it that I want to accomplish? What is it that I want to do in the next 2-3 years? All right, if you want great things to happen in the next year, 2 years, 3 years, you got to start planning now. You got to start investing now. And if you want to learn more, again, guys, contact me. All right, all my information is in the description box below. You can join our Telegram, send it out to your friends, send it out to anybody who's interested in learning and wanting to learn how the markets work and operate. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like, share, comment. Okay, guys, let's keep this going. I'm going to keep the videos coming along, but the main thing is to educate you guys. Make sure you understand what you're doing. Don't just jump in the market because people told you to jump in the market. All right, you got to understand what the market is doing in order to profit correctly. All right, you got to understand what the market is doing in order to profit the right way. All right, so I gotta actually jump out of here. I gotta go do a webinar for a company I represent. All right, so I'll hit you guys up again. Send me an email if you have any questions, any concerns, you want to join the community. As you can see, my team, we know how to make money. We know how to do this. All right, join the Telegram. It's in the description below so you can stay up to date. I drop morning sessions every other day, every now and then, just so you guys can see how I operate. And I'll keep you guys up to date on all these crypto opportunities and so much more, man. But 2022 is pretty much here. Let's get it. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. I will see you all next time.